Hey CDA and Game Guide viewers, what is up? This is my first math educational video, and today what I'm doing, gamers, is expanding my content. I'm moving into some math. I feel that I'm able to lend a hand for some math. So some quick background here is I'm a computer engineering student, so obviously I have to know my math. So I hope you can rely on some of my math skills. I'm not going to guarantee that if you send me an equation or something that I'm going to get 100% right, but I will try my best, and 99% of the time it will be right. Anyway, one sec, gotta grab a drink of water. I got the hiccups a bit, and I cough, and just generally under the weather. But okay, let's start with algebra here, some basics. So as you guys all know, if you don't know this, if you're just learning it, because you could be in high school, I'm trying to make these videos for everybody. An X or a U or a J, any letter in the alphabet is a variable which could equal any number. You just can assign a number to them, or it might be an equation. This number is a constant, or this one represents these numbers, etc. You can also use Greek letters. If you're in electrical or computer engineering, you'll see a lot of them, like the ohms, the Greek omega, which this is a capital and this is a lowercase Greek omega. So anyway, let's go on to the basics here. So as you know, they're variables. So x plus x, these two are the same, therefore they can be added to equal 2x. We can prove this by assigning x with the number 3. You can try this, pull out your calculators. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. You can also try it with this one. X plus 2x is going to equal 3x. If you don't believe me, try it out. But here, we cannot combine these because this does not have an x in front of it. Therefore, you can write it as simplified as 4x plus 15x, or 15x plus 4. And that's as far as you can go with it. Next, we have 4x plus 24 equals 28x. You can assign whatever number you want there, 120 million, 1, and it will always, this here will always equal whatever this equals. Some real numbers, so we're going to put a 2 to the power of 2. These two can be added together because they'll equal 8, or 2 times 2 to the power of 2 equals 8. If you were asked to simplify it, you would write it as this, and then this, and I would probably mark this as a 2-mark question, or maybe just a 1 if I seen these steps. As you can see, it applies all the way up. Anything to the power of 0, what does that equal? 1. So 120 to the power of 0, 1. But power of 0, 1. I think that's 10,000. Yeah, 10,000 to the power of 0, 1. X to the power of 0, 1. This is technically wrong. 6x to the power of 0. So to the power of 0, this is going to equal 1. 6 times 1 is 6, not 0. Let's go into some subtracting quickly here. 2x minus x, the same as adding, is going to equal x. If these two were different, you could not do it. For instance, if we go to the adding and we had 2x plus 2xa, you cannot add those because with the rules of Bedma's, if there was numbers there, you would do 2 times whatever a was going to represent plus the x. So you could not add those together like that. So it would you just rewrite it. 3x plus 120 minus 4x is actually going to be negative because 3x minus 4 is going to leave with negative 1, and there's an imaginary 1 here, so that is negative x to the power of 120. Now if this power here was different than this one, you cannot add them. But because they are the same, they are compatible, therefore they can be added or subtracted in this case. This is going to equal negative a because 2 minus a equals 3, or 2a minus 3a is going to equal negative a. Here, 120a minus 10a equals 110a. So remember, whatever letter your teacher decides to use in that one, do not let that bug you. You combine like terms, and unlike terms, you cannot do anything with. When we get more advanced on the next one, I'll throw a couple different letters in there, and then the one after that I'll throw a bunch, and we'll go step by step and examine each equation. And just remember, if you're being frustrated with it, walk away, group the like terms. If you still can't get it, walk away, watch some of my awesome content online, come back to it and try it again. Here are some quick questions for you guys all to try in your spare time. Within 2 days I will have the answers up for these, so feel free to try them. Here you go. I'll have the answers up for these in 2 days. I will also be making an email within the next 4 days where you guys can send me any questions. Say you're struggling with one question in math, send it to me to this email. I will be checking it one time in the morning, one time at night, probably first thing in the morning when I wake up, or first thing in the bed, or first thing at night when I go to bed. I will be answering whatever questions I can answer. I will be emailing everybody back as much as possible, but remember, if I get a bunch of them on one person, I can't spend 20 hours answering everybody's questions. I'll try to do the best that I can. And I'll either directly email you back if it's just a quick one. I'll probably just write it out, scan it, email you back. Or I'll make a video, send you the link within a day, and you can watch the video and get the answer, because if it's complicated, maybe someone else is struggling with the same type of question and they need the help too. So remember, try these out. Within 2 days I'll have my answers up. You can compare. If I messed up anywhere in this video or anything, please feel free to leave in the comments. Call me retarded, but please tell me what I did. If you're good at math and you feel that you can help someone out that has a question in the comments that I haven't answered yet, feel more than free to help them out. Let's build a good, strong community here, trying to help each other out. Eventually I'll start a forum, and we can really start helping each other out with these math questions. Also, if you're looking for a new, different math teaching style, that if you don't like mine, feel free to check out eHow or any other math people on YouTube. There's some really good ones out there if you can filter through the crappy ones. Maybe you think mine's crappy, but remember that math is difficult if you don't know what you're doing. But as soon as you get your foundation, step 1, 2, and 3, build it up like a foundation. Don't try to jump right to the top, but build up, and you'll have all the tools you need to succeed in your math. Just do not let yourself get overwhelmed in any means. Anyway, please subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up. If you don't, I will hunt you down. You know I will. I've hunted down 3 people already. And by hunt you down, I mean I'm going to hunt you down. I'm going to go on your computer. I'm going to hit that like button anyway. I'm going to hit that favorite button and subscribe for you. So just remember to hit it. Peace out, gamers. Mathematics. Awesome people trying to learn math. And remember, never get discouraged in life. Try your best. That sounds really fucking corny. And I'm sorry if any young ears heard me swear. I'm going to try not to swear on these videos. But remember, my gaming videos, totally different person. I do a lot of crazy stuff. Anyway, peace out. I hope you had a happy new year. Actually, wait, that's already done. Merry Christmas, that's done too. Happy back to work in school for all you youngins and college kids, university. Anyway, remember to subscribe, comment, and like, and favorite this video. Share it to all your friends. And if I helped you out, please remember to thank me in the comments. I get all warm inside when I read them. And for the trolls, man, you guys just make me, certain parts of my body really happy when I read the troll in comments. Anyway, peace out, and thank you for listening to me rant about nothing. I mean, mathematics. Another video should be up within 2 days with the answers, and then after that, probably another day with a whole bunch of new lessons. Thank you for listening, and see you guys later.